the end of the road, turn right. Avoid coming out as she's turning in. She might stop the car and do a U-turn. So let her clear your path, let her turn in before you turn out. It's a silly test fail, and you work so hard to pass a driving test, you wouldn't forgive yourself.